Well before there was any conversation about what device or what tool, there was conversations about what had to happen from an instructional standpoint, from an infrastructure standpoint, and even our own policies, because a lot of our own policies in this district would have got in the way of the work we were doing if we didn't address those policies.
Through working with our community, we established Blueprint 2.0, which is our 5-year strategic plan, where we define what it means to be globally competitive.
As we have engaged in the planning process, we had to think through every part of the organization that might be touched by the digital conversion. That made our planning process rich, and it really made our planning process thorough.
From our business community to our elected officials to our teachers and parents, but really to our students, everyone weighed in on where we wanted to see our young people go. And so it came back to, again, where do you want students to be in terms of global competitiveness? And we said in order to do that, we have to have technology environments in all of our schools. And so everyone feels like they've really bought into that because they've been involved in the process from the very beginning.
We treat all the various companies that we're working with as partners because our success is their success. And so it's so important to bring them to the table and have those conversations with them about the work we're doing.
We've been very fortunate that every single partner we brought to the table for STAT have really been saying, what can we do to help you?
So now, twice a year, we bring all of our corporate stakeholders together as a group and tell them where we are, what our benchmarks have been.
We all come together as service providers in the school system to talk about what are the updates and what do we need from each other in order to move the work forward.
And that has really created a sense of community, even among all of our corporate partners.
Working with Daily and working with Intel has really helped us find different ways to make sure that device is going to work every time they open it. And we're really working with the students and the teachers to bring their level of understanding of how to use the device to a level that they're comfortable with and making sure that they are actually happy using the device.
We've done a lot of planning to get to where we are, almost 2 years. So that's why I believe we're seeing some of the early results we're seeing, because all that pre-planning, not just inside the organization, but with our service providers, is really paying off today.